Workshop is equipped with various tools. It is necessary to understand and identify the specific tools required to perform a job. Welcome to the session of General Workshop Tools. Completing the session, you will be able to identify the various tools used in the automobile workshop. Use the tools available in an automobile workshop. Screwdriver is a device that is used to loosen and tighten screws in a machine. The main parts of the screwdriver are handle. The handle is a smooth and properly shaped end of the screwdriver that gives grip when holding the screwdriver. It is usually made of hard plastic or wood. Blade. The blade is made of hardened and tempered carbon steel or alloy for strength. Screwdrivers are specified according to the length and width of the blade. The tip is a part of the screwdriver that fits in the groove of the screw head. Various tip designs are flat or minus, Phillip head, square, star. The various types of screwdrivers available are the straight tip type, Phillip type, offset type, and ratchet type. Spanners are used to loosen or tighten the nuts. The size of the spanner is determined by the nut or the bolt it fits. These are made of high tensile or alloy steel and are drop forged and heat treated. The different types of spanners are open-end spanners, ring spanner, combination spanners, socket spanners. Some spanners are also called wrenches, and there are a variety of them, used for again tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. Torque wrench is a specialized form of a socket spanner. It consists of a shaft with Newton meter torque scale. Handle at any time indicates the amount of torque applied on the nut, and the pointer which is set to the desired torque by rotating it. Important nuts and bolts in an automobile need to be tightened with a specified amount of torque, as prescribed by the manufacturer, because excessive torque may result in their breakage, while with lesser torque they will come out loose during use. This is made possible by a torque wrench. Here is an adjustable wrench. This type of wrench has one adjustable jaw. The main advantage of this wrench is that it can be adjusted to adapt to various nut and bolt sizes. The movable jaw is adjusted by rotating the adjustable screw. This is an Allen wrench, also called Allen key. Allen keys are used to loosen or tighten screws which have a hexagonal shaped groove on the head. Hammer is a tool that is used for striking operations such as denting, bending, punching, riveting, etc. The head is made of drop-forged steel. The handle is made of wood or metal pipe. The head has a hole in the center to mount the handle, and longer the handle, greater is the force which can be applied while striking. The striking part of the hammer is flat and is called the face, while the uppermost part is called the peen. Peen is shaped according to different requirements, and these are ball peen, cross peen, wooden peen. Chisels are used for cutting a metal sheet by hammering it. The basic application of the chisel in an automobile workshop is to tear open the corroded nuts or rivets in the vehicle. The body of the chisel is generally hexagonal in cross-section, and the cutting edge is hardened to increase stiffness and hardness. Files are used to smoothen rough surfaces and for removing small amounts of metal. Files are generally classified as either single cut or double cut, depending on whether they have cuts in one direction or in both directions. Files may also be classified based on the cross-sectional shapes: flat, triangular, square, half round, and round. A hacksaw is used for cutting metal by sawing. The hacksaw has an adjustable frame with a handle and a replicable cutting blade. The hacksaw design is such that it can accommodate blades of various sizes by adjusting the fly nut. The blade is a thin, narrow strip with teeth on one or both sides and 2 pinholes on each end. The blade is made of high-speed steel and is available in various lengths and thicknesses. Are used to cut inside threads in metal pipes. Dies are used for cutting external threads. T-types or long handles are used to hold the tabs and dies for threading. The tabs can be divided into taper tab. The taper tab is used to cut threads in a hole through a metal piece. Plug tab. The plug tab is used to thread a hole partly for installing a plug in it. Bottom tab. The bottom tab is used to cut a thread in a blind hole. Summarize what we have learned in this session.